Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the exact honor model and system version. That ensures the correct navigation options appear. Once checked, make sure battery is above 20% and you've backed up any custom home layouts. Now open Settings, go to System and Updates, then System Navigation. You're starting the process to remove the on-screen back button by switching navigation modes. Follow the menu prompts to see available navigation styles, because the next step is to choose gesture navigation instead of the 3-button bar. You select gesture navigation and watch the built-in demo, because understanding the swipe mechanics prevents accidental navigation errors. Once enabled, make any adjustments offered, sensitivity, backswipe direction, or indicator visibility to match how you hold the device. If your Honor firmware lacks gesture options, prepare to use ADB on a PC. Enable developer options, toggle USB debugging, and install ADB. This alternate path lets you hide the navigation bar when the settings route is unavailable. Make sure each step completes before proceeding. You now use ADB only if gestures aren't provided by settings. Connect the phone, confirm it appears in a DB devices, and then run the command to make the navigation bar immersive or fully hidden. This removes the persistent back button. Once done, reboot and test across apps to ensure system gestures behave as expected. If anything breaks, revert the global setting or restore your backup. Quick troubleshooting tip: if gestures feel inconsistent, toggle gesture mode off and on, or reboot the device to reset the input stack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.